I believe in strength physically, emotionally, and spiritually. When I look at the definition of strength, the quality or state of being physically strong, that's only one small part of what strength is. I think of strength as the ability to overcome great obstacles. When I was in 8th grade, I'll never forget the teacher that belittled me in front of my peers and other teachers. She was upset over the science fair because my older brothers previously did very well in the science fair and went to state. She did not want to go through all of this again with me. She thought that since my dad was a professor of art at Bradley University and my project was on ceramics, that he did all the experiments for me. She even went as far as the day of judging to approach the judge and tell him to not even bother judging me. I'm happy to say that I received first place, and the judge even went back to my teacher and said that I knew what I was talking about and that as my teacher, she should be supporting me and not tearing me down. In high school, my freshman year, a friend of mine committed suicide. This was my first experience with suicide, and it was very emotional. I questioned why I didn't know how depressed she was. Why didn't she reach out for help? What could have been so bad that she took her life at the age of 15? I had to find the strength emotionally to deal with the fact that one of my friends was gone. In college, my senior year, my younger brother was going to need a kidney transplant. We were all tested to find the best match. It ended up being me. I was 98%. I was going to be graduating college, getting married, and now a donor all within 2 months. I knew I wanted to help my brother, but it was a very uneasy feeling of not knowing how everything would turn out. It was an emotional roller coaster, feeling excited, worried, and scared. I found strength in my faith and put everything in God's hands. Happy to announce that the surgery was a huge success, and my brother is doing fantastic. We celebrated the 25th anniversary of the transplant on December 23rd, 2018. On July 4th, 1998, my greatest joy came into this world, my son Michael. But on March 22nd, 2004, I was divorced and a single mom. I had to find the strength deep within me to survive. My physical strength to keep me going when I wanted to quit. Emotional strength came from my family and friends that believed in me. Spiritual strength from my belief and faith in God. January 26, 2010, the worst day of my life came when my father passed away. This day, all the strength had left me. Even though I didn't feel strong, luckily I had my family, my brothers, my son, and my mom. We were there to comfort each other and give each other love and support. I felt angry with God. I began questioning my faith. Why did God have to take my dad away from me? He was the rock of our family. To this day, with all of the life struggles and all of the obstacles that I've already had to overcome, it has made me a stronger person. I feel that if I follow God's plan, I can overcome any obstacle in my path.